Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. So welcome to this session. In this session we will understand variables in Postman and focusing on local variables and how they help us manage data efficiently during the API testing. So here we have different types of variables in Postman. So local variables and global variables and environment variables. So variable means it is a value so that we store and reuse in different requests. So instead of writing same URL and token and username or ID repeatedly, so we can store it in a variable. So coming to the local variables, so it available only during specific request or script execution. So and global variables available across entire workspace. So environment variable available within selected environment. So let me discuss about local variables. So local variables available only during specific request or script execution. So these local variables are temporary values used in Postman. So once the request is completed, they are automatically removed and used when we need short-term data storage, and they have highest priority compared to the other variables in Postman. So we have created that using that local variables using the JavaScript pre-request or test. So they helps us avoid entering the same temporary value repeatedly. So now I am creating the local variables. So here so we have to use that pre-request script. So this is the Postman interface. So we have to write that to set up that variables by using the scripts here. So now I am removing this. So here we have to use that before request, pre-request script. So it is a script that runs before the API request is sent to the server. So it is used to prepare or modify the data before request is executed. These before request. So it runs before sending the request. So used to set the variables like IDs and timestamp like that. So now I am creating the local variables in this through the scripts. So pm dot collection variables dot we have to use set. So I'm taking this as first local one. So in first local one variable I'm storing the name Kirti. So now I'm sending that. So see that. So you can see here variables in this request. See that first local one we have stored that value in first local one. So now I'm using that variable in collections. So see that so go to the body. So here I am taking first name. We have stored that Kirti. So I am using that first local one variable here. So we can use anywhere inside the collection. Then first local one. Then close. Then send. So see that. So we have used that variable in this request. So we have created with that Kirti name one new user. So this is all about local variables. Local variables we are using within the collections. So they are simple and powerful, very useful for handling temporary data during the API testing. So keep practicing and explore more features in Postman. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.